Have a delicious sea duck egg. My mother made a fortune. This should be a baby from the Western Zhou dynasty or the Shang and Zhou dynasties. Wash it for him. Hey. Wow, there's a big fire in here. Dig it out for him and see what it is. Ouch, I see that it doesn't move. It moves, it moves. Wow, run around. Wow, where do you put the wow? Hey, isn't that my foot? Hello? Hey, you dropped the sea cucumber. Hey, hey. Wow, don't even want big sea cucumbers. Ha ha ha. We have to catch this fish gently. Be gentle. Please be patient. Wow, it seems that I am a little allergic to stones. I fell asleep. Come out and give you a taste of mom. What is this? Yes, a balloon. Wow, so heavy. Hey, are you motionless? Hello? Hey. Hiccup, let him go. Bye.